Imagine a car so rare that only 4 were ever built. So beautiful it's considered rolling art. And one vanished during World War II, possibly worth over $100 million today if it ever resurfaces. This is the Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, the supercar before supercars existed, designed by Jean Bugatti himself. Stick around to uncover its incredible story, specs, and the enduring mystery of La Voiture Noire. The story begins in the mid-1930s. Bugatti's Type 57 was already a masterpiece grand tourer, but Jean Bugatti, son of founder Ettore, wanted something more radical. Inspired by aviation and aerodynamics, he created the Aerolite prototype, unveiled at the 1935 Paris Motor Show. It used lightweight, flammable electron magnesium alloy, so panels couldn't be welded, leading to the famous riveted central seam that became the Atlantic's signature. Production switched to aluminum, built on the lowered Type 57S chassis with a supercharged C engine. Only 4 Atlantics were hand-built between 1936 and 1938. 3 survive in pristine condition today. The 4th, that's the legend known as La Voiture Noire, the black car Jean Bugatti kept for himself. It disappeared in 1940 as war engulfed France and has never been found. The Atlantic's design is pure Art Deco magic, mixed with pure aerodynamics. At just 3.7 meters long, it looks like a teardrop sculpture in motion. The dramatic dorsal fin with exposed rivets turns a manufacturing necessity into an iconic feature. Kidney-shaped doors and windows, heavily raked windshield, long hood, and that flowing rear end almost touching the ground. It's timeless. Each of the 4 cars had slight differences in bumpers, headlights, and trim, making everyone unique. Under that long hood lies a 3.3-liter straight-8 engine with a Roots-type supercharger, delivering around 210 horsepower at 5,500 RPM. Insane for the late 1930s. Top speed? Over 200 km/h, 124 plus mph, when most cars struggled to hit 120 km/h, 0-100 km/h in about 10 seconds. The Type 57 SC combined the low, sporty 57S chassis with supercharged power from the 57C, the ultimate grand tourer of its era. Smooth, powerful, and eerily quiet for a supercharged engine. 3 Atlantics survive. One stunning black example belongs to fashion icon Ralph Lauren. It won Best of Show at Villa d'Este and Pebble Beach. Another light blue beauty is displayed at the Mullen Automotive Museum, now co-owned after Peter Mullen's passing. The third was rebuilt after damage and remains in private hands. Each is worth tens of millions. One sold privately for around $40 million in 2010, and experts now estimate $100 million plus for any survivor. But the real star is Chassis 57453, La Voiture Noire, Jean Bugatti's personal black Atlantic. It vanished during Derby counts and remains one of history's greatest unsolved car mysteries. Could it still be hidden in a barn? If found, it could shatter records as the world's most valuable car. The Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic isn't just a car. It's automotive art, engineering genius, and a haunting piece of history. Do you think La Voiture Noire will ever be found? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you loved this deep dive into one of the rarest Bugattis ever, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more legendary car stories. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.